I've updated the reports through Friday, April 16th for all the portfolios. So you can see the results. We'll start with the $1 million portfolio. Double clicked on it, went to another window here. Last time we took a look at this, it was in a $16,000 drawdown, and now it's only in a $2,000 drawdown from its last equity peak. But it's up $14,000 on the month, and so in a portfolio this size, a $2,200 drawdown is near equity peaks because you see the not every portfolio is always at an equity peak, so just being that close is essentially near an equity peak. And so let me see if I can move this down into the window a little bit better. So you can see here the equity curve up 14,000 this month, up 78,000 on the year. It's a new portfolio. It's based on the 100K portfolio, 2 units of the 100K portfolio, plus 5 units of the 50K portfolio. And depending on your broker, you only need 200 to 400,000 to trade this, so not a full $1 million deposit, but the when I quote percentage return, just based on a million. And so you see the drawdown curve. Very important to understand that not all of the systems are included in the equity curve until about 2008, because some of these markets weren't traded electronically or have good data before 2008. And so you see the results prior to 2008 going back this way, and it's more choppy, and there's less density in the drawdown curve. And that's the reason is not all the systems were in the portfolio before 2008. And so you can see the results here. It trades up to 95 contracts, and that's the $1 million portfolio. Have that also added to my website. You can see that here under Trading System Portfolios, $1 million portfolio. You can read about it right here, and it explains it. 100K portfolio next, going from largest to smallest. And you see it is, let's zoom in here, it's up on the month a little bit, $2,000 on the month. It's only in a $1,000 drawdown. It's made its way back from a drawdown, as we previously discussed. Markets were really slow Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and so not a lot of activity the latter part of the week, but you can see the results there for the month. 50K portfolio, only $36 away from an equity peak. This is the one we've been recommending the most all year. It's up 13,000 on the year, and the reason we recommended this the most is because it's day trade only. It doesn't have those overnight strategies, and so it's the main component of the $1 million portfolio is to trade 5 units of this and to trade 2 units of the 100K portfolio. And the 100K portfolio has 5 swing trade systems, and if you only trade 2 contracts, you're only trading up to 10 contracts. And so you're well capitalized. You can manage that risk well. You can see the results here. Looking forward to the rest of April and May, as those have seasonally been good months, and so we'll see if we can get a pop in that. And those are the results through Friday for the 50K portfolio. The 8 system portfolio is a derivative of the 50K portfolio, and it took the worst systems, got in on a drawdown. We got in on this drawdown here, and it's making its way back. You can see that little surge in the drawdown curve. Let's zoom in a little bit here. It's coming back. We took the systems that were performing poorly and underperforming in the 50K, and that was a good place to get in on those. It's only $975 away from its equity peak, so it's a $975 drawdown. It's up $1,900 this month, and you can see where it's at on the year, $43.77.50 on the year. And so a good portfolio to trade as well. This one is not on the website yet. It will be up there shortly, so you can see more details on that. And then the 25K portfolio is the last one we'll talk about. It's been making a comeback as well this week. Big pop in the drawdown curve. You can see. Let me show you that. Zoom in. Let me grab the zoom bar here. Zooming in. It's up 1,600 this month, which is about where it's at on the year, because it was break even prior to that. And this is with the this is using the Cobra 3 money management version instead of the non-money management version. You could trade either one, but this is with it. You can see that pop and drawdown curve. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So the drawdown was here, and it popped up here this week, which means it's recovering and heading towards equity peaks. And so only $535 away from an equity peak in this portfolio. So that's the update. All the portfolios are looking good on the year. I recommend them based on your capitalization and your risk tolerance. Let me know if you have any questions on when to start and how to set these up.